Hello, my name is Brian Bartow, and I am an enrolled agent and also the owner and founder of Tax Debt Resolution Services of Winchester, Virginia. And I'm going to talk today about business payroll taxes and when a owner or key employee of the business may be held personally responsible for those taxes. Okay, so payroll taxes and the trust fund recovery penalty. First of all, payroll tax debt is the number one reason that businesses and their owners get into trouble with the IRS. Uh, Payroll taxes are a significant stream of income for the IRS, and that's why they pay particular attention and are very, very diligent about collection of the payroll taxes. Here's a fun fact for you. The taxes withheld from employee paychecks account for more than 72% of all taxes collected by the federal government. So as you can see, it's a big deal to the IRS, and that's why they put so much focus on collecting either from the business or possibly from the owner or a key individual. Okay, so trust fund taxes. What exactly are the trust fund taxes? Those are the portion of the taxes that are withheld from each employee's paycheck. So we're talking about the income tax withheld and the FICA tax, which is the Social Security and the Medicare. So that's the taxes that the employer withholds and then pays over to the federal government. Okay, so the trust fund recovery penalty, that's when the IRS tries to assess personal liability for the business owner and or key employees. Sometimes they'll try to attach responsibility to more than one person. So according to Internal Revenue Code section 6672, that's the code that addresses the trust fund recovery penalty, and the penalty amount is 100% of the trust funds that are not accounted for and paid over to the government. Okay, so the trust fund recovery penalty, in order to be held responsible as an individual, there's two key elements of the trust fund recovery penalty. Number one, the person had to be required to collect, account for, and pay over the payroll taxes, and the person's failure to do so must have been willful. Okay, so they must have known what they were doing. Okay, so that's some basic information on payroll taxes. If your business is in trouble with or has back payroll taxes, or if you got a letter saying you've been assessed a trust fund recovery penalty, please reach out to us. If you have any other issues, our contact information is right there. And I thank you very much for listening today.